Hello, I would like to talk about investing today, and I would like to buttress the point by using agriculture. There are crops they call annual crops, and there are perennial crops. I like to view investing as a perennial crops. I'll be focusing on investing in stock today. Investing in stock actually means buying shares of a company which is listed on the stock exchange market. The major difference between annual and perennial crop is actually their lifespan. For annual crop, they have a life cycle of 1 year. What that means is the crop once the crop is planted, it actually grows and dies within that particular yes. While for perennial crops, they have the feature of living more than 2 years. And another thing about them is they have the ability to regrow. What that means is after the year it's been planted, it can actually grow again. Example perennial crops are plantain, banana, just to mention a few. So my discussion today is about viewing investing in stock as a perennial crop. I know there are different strategies. Some people invest and they actually do stock trading, not really long-term investment. But for this discussion, I'm focusing on perennial, as in viewing it as a perennial crop. What that means is for people that invest in good companies, as in what I mean by that is companies that are performing well, which pays dividend on a yearly basis. The fact that they invested a particular amount, it means that once the company declares dividend, they are entitled to dividend payout for that particular year. And if the company keeps doing well, what that means is the shareholder keeps getting dividend payouts on a yearly basis. So far, the company is still existing and it keeps doing very well. So that's the analogy that I'm giving between investing in stock and viewing it as a perennial crop, viewing your investment on a long-term basis.